All right, these ones can get a little bit tricky. What I've got here is determine the exact value of sine 85 plus sine 35 over cos 85 plus cos 35. Now this is tech-free. They're not exact angles, so I can't use angles, I know. So I go and I have a look at my trig identities, and it would appear that there's not much I can do, because what I've got is I've got a sine A plus sine B over cos A plus cos B. And all of my various identities have got the angles added to each other, or I've got a product, or I've got something happening that I can actually rewrite this as something I can do something with. However, there are no identities that say sine of A plus sine of B. However, I've got my sum product identities. We've done a proof in class of how we get from our product identities, which are on your formula sheet, to the sum product identities. Those ones are not on your formula sheet. So two ways you can look at it. They're 4 identities. You can learn them off by heart, or you can learn the process to derive them every single time. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say, using sine of A plus sine of B, now you've either memorized this or you've worked it out, is equal to 2 sine of A plus B over 2 cos of A minus B over 2. And we've also got one for cos of A plus cos of B, and that's going to be 2 cos of A plus B over 2 cos of A minus B over 2. And we're going to let 85 degrees be my A and 35 degrees be my B. So I have sine of 85 degrees, that's a 5, plus sine of 35 degrees over cos of 85 plus cos of 35 is equal to 2 times sine of 85 plus 35 over 2 cos of 85 minus 35 over 2, and I don't know why my 5s are looking like 8s today, over 2 cos of 85 plus 35 over 2 cos of 85 minus 35 over 2. And hopefully when we simplify this, it looks like something we can do something with. So 2 sine of, well, 85 and 35 is 120, and 120 divided by 2 is 60. Okay, well, that's a bit exciting. And cos of 85 minus 35 is 50. Divided by 2 is 25. That's maybe not as exciting, but let's go with the process. 2 cos of, okay, we already know that's 60 degrees, and that is 25 degrees. Well, that is okay, because those 2's are going to cancel. Those 25 cos of 25's are going to cancel, and I've just got sine of 60 over cos of 60. And we know that sine of 60 is root 3 on 2, and cos of 60 is a half. And so my final answer is square root of 3.